So, my dear friends, we're happy to welcome you to our course, and let's get started. So, I will explain everything in English, but with very simple words and very slowly. It means that even if you don't speak English that much good, you can understand everything, I think. And the main information you will see on the screen. So anyway, here I will show you this grammar and this, for example, new words or grammar structures with illustrations and with grammar tables, so to make you understand this topic better. First, we start with phonetics. I will teach you how to read Russian letters, and as a result of the first part of our course, you will read in Russian. My dear friends, I just want to give you one advice. Please repeat everything that I say. I say it slowly, and please listen to me, read the same phrase on the screen and repeat. It's extremely important when you're doing your first step in learning foreign language, so you can improve your pronunciation faster. After that, we will start to talk about grammar. I will tell you about the basic grammar concepts in Russian. It means we will talk about the forms of the plural of nouns, gender of nouns. You will know how to say personal, possessive pronouns in Russian, and how to ask simple questions. So, even as a result of the first part of our course, you can take part in simple dialogues. Then we will talk about the other grammar rules. Every unit has the same structure. First, I will tell you about new grammar, show you some examples, will help you with reading these phrases and with understanding this grammar rule. After that, we will do some tasks together. You will have time to think which answer is the correct one. For example, how can we answer this question, or how can we describe this picture, and so on. The last part of every unit contains some exercises that can help you to check yourself. It means you will think a little and you will try to give the correct answer without my help. And after that, of course, we will check it together and I will show you the correct answers. After every unit, you have a short test, so you can check your progress and you can see can you get this part of grammar, or you need to watch, for example, this short part of our course once again to make sure that you know this grammar. So let's get started. As I already told you, we start with phonetics, and let's learn how to read in Russian.